Welcome to Roner's Corner, and today we're cutting a pineapple. First thing we need to do before cutting this piece is to find out if it's ripe. The best way is to pull the leaves at the top and see if they come out easily. It should take little to no effort for this leaf to come out, like this. If not, let it sit for a couple days. Let's bring out the cutting board. A lot of times cutting boards move easily on the counter. A quick and easy life hack is to put a damp rag or paper towel underneath the board. After the board, you'll need a sharp knife, optionally a paring knife. Cut the top and bottom of SpongeBob's house to have a level surface. From here, we're going to cut the prickly rind off. Cut down the side of the pineapple, getting as much of the tough part out. Rotate the pineapple and continue cutting around. This part didn't cut deep enough. These brown pieces are hard and need to be removed either by cutting more with your knife or using your paring knife on those spots. After cutting the outside off, we're left with this. That circle in the middle is really tough, so we need to remove it. See how easily the knife goes in the other parts of the fruit besides the core? I'm going to show you two ways to remove the core. First is right down the middle. The other is going around the core. Alright, right down the middle. Here we can see the core is almost white color. That is what we need to remove. Flip the piece we just cut on the flat side and cut the middle again. Now we can angle the blade to cut the core out. Here's the second method, where I'll cut around the core. This method does not provide the most uniform cuts, but is easier to see the core versus the fruit and cut just enough. Lastly is to cube them for serving. Cut the fruit lengthwise into thirds. Then cut those thirds every inch or so. Also, this is a slice. Slices move the blade across and down. Let the blade do the work. Package it up and good to go. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.